Hello, good morning. My name is Mr. Healthy. I'm the representative at Food Health Club. It was established in May 1996. I'm the sales rep here. We located nearby Yankee Stadium in the Bronx. We serve the people, the public, and others in private demands. How's your product defined in today's marketplace? My product is compressed 10 times the average measure. The process makes my product stronger and expensive. What clients are you trying to attract? We want to grab the people's attention, especially those with back conditions and health issues. Why your product is so pure? My product is made compressed with the latest fine ingredients ever. The process is very expensive. It led to become a valuable and expensive drink and product in the marketplace. What type of other services do you provide? We have all type of full body and other treatments in stores, especially for those with weight and skin procedures. Hello again, and welcome to my shop. I'm here to highlight my product and services. I have all unique specials going on. I have a new special order for the age gender. This hits all ages and is good treatment for the mind, body, and soul. This mixture is made for the injured and sports people because of the training and hard working of the body. It heals muscle tissue fast and it builds up muscle too. Here you can see what we use to make and mix our product. This is the routine we value and build from. Pick one, pick many. Give your health a try until we see you soon. Hello there. First, I would like to show my product collections and special plans we have here. This here is my first product and breakthrough. I came up with this mixture and it happened overnight. Thanks everyone for the support and opportunity to display my product and service. Have a good, healthy life and remember to come back.